So in this lesson, we are going to look at the difference between a QMR and a QMC. Okay, so what we did first was just an introduction to QM. It's just the general understanding of QM. Okay, now QMC and QMR have the same level of confirmation in terms of what a QM is. Okay, same level of confirmation. That is a higher time frame engulfing. Okay, possible double marubuzu opposite the QM level, and then possible drop base drop or rally base rally opposite the QM level on a lower time frame. That is the level of confirmation, right? Now, the level of confirmation one, which is the engulfing, is the most important. When you have that additional level, which is what double marubuzu or a kissing candle or that gap, as you may call it, opposite it, it gives you further confirmation. It gives you more grinding. Okay. Now, so the difference is going to be that what is a QMR and what is a QMC? So a QMR happens on top, at the top of what? The trend. So which means that if market is going up, it creates series of higher highs and higher lows. So we have a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. And once this one break, we have a high, a low, a higher high, and lower low. So this is going to be what? Your QM level. Okay? And remember, it happens at the top of the trend. What are the level of confirmation? Higher time frame engulfing, right? Once you have the higher time frame engulfing here, you have a QMR because it happens at the top of the trend. Okay, then what is QMC? Okay, whilst market is creating these higher highs and higher lows, within it, there are, within each pullback, okay, there are lows and highs. So here we may have a low, a high, and a lower low. So this is a QM. Low, high, lower low. Okay? Here we may have low, low, low. This is a QM. This is a QM. Okay? So QMC are happening within, usually, okay, it can happen here too, right? But most of the time happening within the pullback. They are those small points within the the pullback. So let me repeat again. Okay, and give you examples. Okay, so for instance, price creates a high and a low, okay, and create a high, right? This definitely is an engulfing, right? Because we engulf this pullback. Now, when you go down to a smaller time frame within this pullback, you are going to see, right, lower time frame trend. So it's going to be therefore, okay, if there was a touch here, now QMC, we are going to look at QMC in details. Okay, QMC in detail. That QMC comes in with additional level of confirmation, which is a trend line. But first of all, you need to understand what a continuation and a reversal. So a continuation will be that since there is a first touch, a second touch, and there's which I'm going to teach you, that the pullback created an engulfing and has this small QM in it, then you can have this. And okay, what do you have again? In this pullback, there's this. So we can have this. All right, so that is it.